Welcome back, guys. So in this video, we're going to be talking about CSS borders. So we're going to be adding borders to our code, and let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to be doing here, we're going to create a new file because we don't want to use the last one we used. So we're going to do borders.html. Good. So let's use shortcuts and render this borders. Good. So let's create a simple card, a simple box. So we're going to use it to make an example. So this is a div. I'm going to call this one a card. So I'm going to use a selector. Let's use ID selector this time around. So I'm going to call this a card. I'm still going to use the internal CSS. So I'm going to do style. So inside my style tag, I'll bring in my selector. So because I'm using an ID, I'll use hash symbols and the name that I gave it and curly braces. Good. So all my properties now will come in. So let's give it a width and height because we want to make a shape first before we add our border. So let's make this 300 pixel and let's make the height, let's just make it square, 300 pixel, same height, same width. Let's give the background color because we want to see what our div looks like. Background color. This time around, let's use red. Good. So this is a red box. Let's run this and see. So right click and open live server. Good. This is looking pretty. So now we have our box ready. Let's add our border property. Let's see what it looks like. So this is a border. We have a border and you can specify how thick you want your border to look. So let's start by adding 2 pixels. Now let's add color to it. What color do you want your border to be? We want it to, let us do, I'm going to use Xcode this time around. So hash, then 000 is for black. So you can see this, you can see the black. So automatically it has changed the border color to black. So we have a border now in this box. You can actually increase the thickness. You can make this 10 if you wish. Good. You can see the way it looks. So the higher the pixel, the higher the border look. So you can actually decide to add other type of border, which we have the border radius. If you want to curve the edges, these edges, if you want them curved, I'm going to reduce this to 2 pixels. So that's 2. Good. So let's add border radius. I'm going to add border radius 20 pixels. So what border radius does is curves the edges for you. It curves the edges. Good. So the edges are automatically curved 20 pixels. You could actually reduce it to 5, any pixel you feel like, and check if it suits your taste or design you're working on. So this is it. So let's add other types. So we're going to do, if you want, you can actually curve one side alone and leave the rest. So we could just try this. So imagine we want to curve only the top left or top right. Border radius, you can see this. You can see border top left radius, border top right radius, border bottom left. Those are the sides you can actually curve. So let's do this one, border top left. So you could just do, let's do 20 pixels. Good. You can see only that side curved. You can do border radius the other one too. You can do bottom left. So let's do this one, same 20 pixels. Good. You can see that the two sides are curved. So more on border. This is for border radius. Now let's do more on border. More examples for border. So you can actually do border right width, border left width, border bottom style, border bottom top width. There's like lots you can actually do with border. It's not just what we did. So if you want to do border bottom, it's not mostly used though. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to comment this out. Good. You can see because we've added only border bottom, it's reflected only at the bottom side. Let me increase this to 4 pixels. You can see that came as a shadow. You can see that came as a shadow. Border bottom. So there are lots. Play around with other examples using border and border radius. You can make your shape, any shape you like or you feel like you like. You could just use your border radius and make the shapes. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.